Do you know many people are having trouble with paper jams in their fax machines? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove jammed paper. Open the front cover and remove the toner cartridge and drum unit to access any visible jammed paper. Pull it out carefully. Step 2. Check paper tray. Check the paper tray. Pull it out completely and remove any jammed paper. Ensure the paper guides are set correctly before reinserting. Step 3. Clear output jam. If there's paper stuck in the output tray, open the scanner unit, take out the jammed paper gently, and close the unit. Step 4. Access back jam. For a jam at the back, open the back cover, release the fuser cover by pulling the blue tabs, remove the paper, and close the covers. Step 5. Reassemble unit. Reinsert the toner cartridge and drum unit, then close the front cover to finish. Now, after following these steps, you should be able to clear any paper jam in your Brother DCP-L2660DW. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.